So this is what I'm working with today. Cleaning and also taking my decorations down, sadly. The best holiday is over with. Harper, what you doing, buddy? You gonna help me clean? Huh? You saying this room's a mess? Yes, it is. Yep, we're gonna clean everything and reset everything for the week and also do this. It's always a mess over here. This is the progress that I'm having right now. I still need to, vacuum the floor. I still need to do my vanity and make my bed once my sheets get out of the dryer. I also still need to take my Halloween decorations down, but I think I'm gonna do that after a nap because I'm tired. After 2 long shifts at work, yeah, my body is saying no more. So I gotta take this down and this down still. I'm thinking about for Christmas, I'm gonna do a Grinch theme just because I like the Grinch. And that's just the vibe this Christmas season. That's just the vibe that I have right now. So I think I'm doing a Grinch theme. I don't know, the procrastination is real right now. Yep, this is what we're working with. Oh, there's my dog again. Harper. So today is day 2 of getting my life back on track and getting this space all cleaned out. It is November 3rd and the time is 10:43 in the morning. But I'll show you guys what I have had done. Okay, so the floor is clean. I just need to take the pillows and stuff off the floor and make my bed. and also vacuum my floor. Today we are going to take down my Halloween decorations. And we're also gonna finish up the vanity. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started, put some music on, and yeah, get this done. My outfit for today, going to the store, so I'm taking you guys along. Got the shirt from Rainbow. No, I know. Yeah, I got my phone on top of tortillas because I'm too short for this cart. Ooh, look at all those grapes and the cheese. What are we getting here? Steak. It is all clean, finally all done. I didn't take my decorations down yet. I'll do that in a different video. If you guys like to see that kind of video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I kind of just want to enjoy my decorations just a little bit more. But yeah. If you guys enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel to become part of my family here on YouTube. Also comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye!